Hello guys, this is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to give you the latest on the approaching tropical disturbance or low pressure area, which is expected to traverse Mindanao within the next 24 hours. So this is our special coverage or the update of that LPA for this early morning of Friday, December 18, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Again, we already issued a storm watch, the first storm watch via our tropical cyclone advisories of typhoon2000.info. So that's the website if you want to know the latest on the approaching tropical cyclones or low pressure areas which is active that could affect the Philippine Islands. So here's the first update issued at 11:30 p.m. yesterday, and right now the system is rapidly developing, but the landmass of Mindanao will disrupt its development until it emerges over the Bohol and Sulu seas. Okay, so this is the advisory that we issued just an hour ago. Based on the outlook, it could bring scattered to widespread rains and thunderstorms across Visayas and Mindanao, Palawan, and some portions of the Bicol region this weekend. And watch out for some floods, flash floods, and landslides over hazard-prone areas of Mindanao and Visayas. So kindly refer to the Pag-asa local forecast and warnings in your respective regions. So just go to www.pagasa.dost.gov.ph. Okay, so where's the LPA? As of 8 p.m. the system 8 p.m. last night was about 219 kilometers east of Mati City, Davao Oriental, or 310 kilometers east southeast of Davao City. So it has sustained winds of only 30 kph, gustiness up to 45. It's not yet a tropical depression. Once it reaches 45 kph, it will become a tropical depression. Past movement, 6 hours, west at 37 kph towards eastern and northern Mindanao. So again, once it reaches the Bohol or Sulu Sea, before or after making landfall over Palawan, it could become a tropical cyclone. So watch out for that. And the local name Vicky might be used once it attains tropical cyclone development. So here's our storm watch number 1 track as of 8 p.m. last night. So as of 8 p.m. it's right here to the east southeast of Davao. And tomorrow 8 a.m. it will start to cross or traverse the eastern portions of Davao region into the southern portions of Caraga and moving into northern Mindanao, passing very close to Cagayan de Oro in the afternoon or late afternoon of Friday. Then at around 6 or 7 p.m. tomorrow it will emerge over Bohol Sea and likely to become a tropical depression, a weak one, and it will intensify a bit after crossing the southern portions of Negros. On Saturday, December 19, 8 a.m., it could become a strong tropical depression of winds of 55 kph, passing close to Cuyo Island. And on or before or after crossing Palawan, it could develop into a tropical storm with winds of 65 kph. That will be around 8 p.m. of Saturday, December 19. And after that, it will eventually move over the West Philippine Sea, moving out of the Philippine area of responsibility on Sunday evening. Okay, and around 8 p.m. on Monday, December 21, it will be outside of PAR, moving closer or passing over the Spratly Islands. So that's the latest from our first storm watch track. So take note, this track will still change for the next 2 days. So stay tuned for more updates for the next 24 hours. So just take note of the cone of uncertainty. This is the light yellow shade of this system. So that's the possible track of LPA. And you can see here the wide area of rain bands that could affect from portions of the Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao, as well as Palawan within the next 48 hours or through the weekend. Here's the latest fast animation. You can clearly see here the motion of LPA moving towards the eastern coastline of Mindanao. It's quite moving fast at around 30 kilometers per hour. And here's the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com. You can clearly see here, using the infrared satellite, some clusters or patches of severe thunderstorms that could bring heavy to intense rainfall across various sections of Mindanao, particularly over Caraga, northern Mindanao, and Davao region. So please take all necessary precautions for possible flash floods, landslides, mudslides. And here's the latest ECMWF rain and wind forecast. As you can see here, on Friday morning, some moderate heavy to intense rainfall can be observed over a large area of Davao region, as well as northern Caraga and Misamis Oriental. That includes Cagayan de Oro. And in the evening of Friday, that LPA will emerge over the Sea of Bohol, or Bohol Sea, and could become a tropical depression, while the areas of eastern Visayas and southern Bicol might experience some enhanced easterly surface wind flow due to the prevailing La Nina. And on Saturday morning, the LPA will be over the Sulu Sea, moving closer to Cuyo Island, and could become a tropical depression or even a tropical storm. It depends on the development of this system for the next 24 hours. And Saturday evening, it will traverse northern Palawan with potential tropical storm classification, winds of 65 to 85 kph. And during the evening of Saturday. And you can also clearly see here the enhanced northeast monsoon and the easterly surface wind flow across the Bicol region and the central and eastern sections of northern and central Luzon. So expect some showers and thunderstorms as well over those areas. And on Sunday morning, it will be approaching Calayan Island Group. Okay, and on Sunday evening, it will exit the Philippine area of responsibility. So folks, here in northern Luzon, just watch out for some very heavy to intense rainfall come Sunday, okay, due to the enhanced northeast and easterly surface wind flow, the northeast monsoon converging with the easterly surface wind flow that could generate lots of thunderstorms over that area. So please take all necessary precautions. And so far, to wrap up, here's the latest graph set we issued early yesterday afternoon. Here we go. The LPA active 1 moving towards Mindanao, northeast monsoon across Bicol, eastern Visayas, rest of Luzon, including Metro Manila, northeasterly surface wind flow across Palawan, Visayas, and Sulu Archipelago. So with that, I end now the latest update on the tropical disturbance or low pressure area approaching Mindanao that could dump heavy to intense rainfall for the next 24 hours, as well as for the next 48 hours over the areas of Palawan, Sulu Archipelago, and portions of Visayas and Bicol region. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua. Stay safe always. Good evening to all, and thank you for watching our channel.